Good morning, my dear students. Welcome you all to the session. Today's class, we are going to start our new topic, addition of decimal numbers. Here, we are going to discuss how to add our decimal number. So, you can take page number 178 in your NCERT textbook. Okay? Hope you all have taken page number 178 in this example number 12. In this we are going to learn how we are going to add the decimal number. Okay, when two decimal numbers are given, how we are going to add them. As usual, adding only, but the small thing, we should be concentrated in our decimal point. Okay, that's only difference. Lata spends rupees 9.50 for buying pen. Okay, for pen, how much rupees she is spending? 9.50. Okay, for pen, how much rupees? 9.50 and 2.50 for one pencil. So for pencil, how much? 2.50. Yes. So when you're going to add these two numbers, what you have to do it? Okay, first you keep the decimal point. Okay, you write the first number. 9.50. First you write your first number, children. This first decimal number you write it. The second decimal number, when you are writing, you should write your whole part towards your whole part, decimal part towards your decimal part. Okay, so this is your whole part. First whole part here down, decimal point should come here. 50. Now you are adding. Okay, see where the decimal point is there, below that the same decimal point should be there. Okay, likewise you have to arrange your number. So 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus, as usual, addition only. Okay, 5 plus 5, 10. 0, 1 remainder. So you should keep your decimal point as such. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. So answer is 12.00 rupees, which means 12 rupees. She has spent 12 rupees for buying the pen and the pencil. Okay, as usual addition, but the thing is, first you should write your first number, then below that number when you're writing, first you keep the decimal point, and whatever it is written left side of your decimal point, write like this left side. Whatever written in your right side, you write like this. Then you add as usual. Okay, so example number 13. Okay, Samson traveled 5 km 52 meters by bus. So what is the bus travel length, children? 5 km 52 meter. Next, 2 km 265 meter by car. By car, okay. So 2 km 265 meter by car, and the rest 1 km 30 meter by walk. So by walk, how much he has covered? 1 kilometer 30 meter. How much distance did he travel in all? Okay, so when you have to we have to add all the three values, right? See, but every number is in different units. Like it is in kilogram, meter, it is in meter, it is in kilometer, meter. So we cannot directly add it all together. So what we have to do means we have to convert everything in kilometers or everything in meters. Since we are dealing with the decimal number chapter, we are converting everything to kilometer. Only then we will get the answer in decimal number. Okay, either you have to convert all the numbers in kilometer or you have to convert everything in meter. But we are dealing with the decimal number chapter, we are converting it to kilometer. So what is the relation between 1 meter is equal to 1 kilometer is equal to how many meters? 1000 meter. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. About 1 meter is equal to 1 divided by 1000 kilometer. Yes, this you know. So this is already in kilometer. We have to just convert this 52. Yes, 52 meter is equal to 52 divided by 1000 kilometer. Yes. Now shifting it 1, 2, 3. What is the answer? 0.052 kilometer. So now if you add 5 kilometer and 0.052 kilometer, what is the answer? 5.052 kilometer. I am adding 5 kilometer and 0.052 kilometer. I got 5.052 kilometer. Now next value. This is already in kilometer. This I have to convert it in kilometer. So 1 meter is equal to 1/1000 kilometer. Appo 265 meter is nothing but 265 divided by 1000 kilometer. Yes. So you have to shift it 3 decimal point. 1, 2, 3. So answer is 0.265 kilometer. 0.265 kilometer. Now you add 2 kilometer and 0.265 kilometer. What is the answer? 2.265. You are writing like this only. See, whole part and all one side. Decimal point. This decimal part and all one side. Below each number you are writing. Next, 1 kilometer 30 meter. Upon now we should convert this 30 meters equal to 30 divided by 1000. 3 numbers are 1, 2, 3. Upon what is the answer? 0.030 kilometer. Now if I add 1 kilometer and 0.03 kilometer, what is the answer? 1.030 kilometer. Now all the values are in kilometer, right? So we can add it directly. 2 plus 5 plus 0, 7. 5 plus 6, 11. 11 plus 3, 14. 1. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 2, 3. Point. Keep the point, okay? Don't forget to keep the point. 5 plus 2, 7, 8. Appo how much kilometer he has to travel? 8.347 kilometer. Okay? Yeah, this is your final answer. See, I have converted all the values in same units. Then I have added as usual. Understood? I came to the exercise 8.5. Okay, so example 14 is left out, right? That is your homework. Okay, children? Now we are going to do the exercise 8.5 first problem. Find the sum in each of the following. Okay, we are going to find the sum for this decimal number. This is one decimal number, this is one decimal number, and this is one decimal number. We are going to add all the 3 decimal number. So first what I told you, you should write the first decimal number. 0.007. Yes, I wrote the first decimal number. Then what second decimal number we are supposed to write it. So what I told you, keep the decimal point first, and whichever in the whole part you write it in your whole part side, whichever in your decimal part write it in your decimal part side. So 8 here and your 5 is this side, right side you will be writing. Correct? Next, 30.08. Okay, now keep the decimal point as usual. 30 upper 03, like this only you will write. Correct? 30.08. We are going to add this. Okay, now see, in our example problems and all our decimal number was correct. It was like if it is a 2 digit, if it is 8.5 na, every number will be like that. No extra space will be there when you're adding, but here there is extra space, you can find it. So what we can do now, we can insert 0 for all those extra spaces. You can insert 0 in pencil, because why I am inserting 0 now, if I insert 0 after the decimal point, it has no meaning. Correct? So if I insert 0 here, it has no meaning. If I insert 0 here and all, it has no meaning. Likewise, if I insert 0 in front, in the right side of a decimal point also, it has no meaning. Correct? So now shall I add it as usual? 7 plus 0 plus 0, 7. 0 plus 0 plus 8, 8. 0 plus 5 plus 0, 5. Put the decimal point. Next, 0 plus 8 plus 0, 8. 0 plus 0 plus 3, 3. Our answer is 38.587. So listen children, first you write the first decimal number, then adjust your second decimal number based upon the decimal point, and you write whatever it is written in the whole part in the whole part side and decimal part in the decimal part side. Then some extra spaces, if it is there, you can insert the zeros. Okay, next B problem. What is a B problem, children? 15 plus 0.632 plus 13.8. 15 plus 0.632 plus 13.8. So first 15 you will write. How you will write 15 children in decimal number? 15.0. Correct? 15 will be written how? 15.0. Next 0.632 how you will write? Point you will write it in the point place. 6, 3, 2 and 0 here. Correct? Because this is in your whole part, this is in your decimal part. Upper 0.632. Next point 13 here, 8 here. Okay, correct? 13 here, 8 here. Now what we are going to do? We are going to fill the extra spaces. Correct? Here extra, so 0. Here extra, 0, 0. Here also 1 digit extra, so 0 I am adding. Listen, why I am adding 0 means only if you add 0, it will be more convenient for us to do the calculation. Now you can add it. Okay, 0 plus 2 plus 2, 0 plus 2 plus 0, 2, 0 plus 3 plus 0, 3, 0 plus 6 plus 8, 8 plus 6, 14, 4, 1 you are going to do carry over. Keep the decimal point. 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 0, 6, 6 plus 3, 9, 1 plus 0 plus 1, 2. Upper 29.432 is your answer. 29.432. Okay. Next is your C problem. What is the C problem, children? 27.076 plus 0.55 plus 0.004. 27.076 plus 0.55 plus 0.004. Okay. So first you write the first number 27.076. Second number how you will write? Keep the decimal point. 55 in your right side, 0 in your left side. Next here 0.004, 0 here. Correct? 0.004. Now add it. Just adding. So before adding, what you should do? You should fill your gaps. Only then it will be more convenient for you to do the calculation, right? Up in here 0, here 1 0, here 1 0. Okay, if you insert the 0, it will be more convenient for us to do the calculation. 6 plus 4, 10, 0, 1. 8 plus 5, 13, 13, 1. 1 plus 6, 0.7, 27.630. 27 point what? 630. Next is your D problem. What is the D problem? 25.65 plus 9.005 plus 3.7. 25.65 plus 9.005 plus 3.7. First, while you are writing the decimal number, if you write it correctly, then the addition is very easy. Correct? First, what you will write? 27.65. Next number. Keep the decimal point. 9 you will write it in your left side. 005. Okay. Write somewhat, give some spacing to every number so that it will be accurately written. Okay. Next. 0.7 here 3. Correct? Now you can add it. Okay. Now you can add, children. Here 0, extra 0. Here I want 0. Here also I want 0. Only then everything is straight. Correct? Here also 1 0. Here only then it is straight. This is straight. Everything is straight. Okay. Only if you write like that, it looks straight. Okay. 0 plus 5 plus 0, 5. 5 plus 0 plus 0, 5. 6 plus 7, 13, 1. Keep the decimal point. 6, 15, 18, 3. Okay, 38.355. Okay, 38.355 is your 355 is your answer. E and F problem is your homework. Okay. Next is your second problem. Okay, because I have given first problem, E and F is your homework. Next is your second problem. Rashid spends rupees 35.75 for maths book. For buying maths book, how much rupees he has sent? 35.75. Then rupees 32.60 for science book. Okay. Find the total amount spent by Rashid. We are supposed to find the total amount. Total amount, how you will do? You will add both the values, right? So now I am going to write the solution. Amount spent by Rashid for maths book. Correct? For maths book, how much he has spent? For maths book is rupees 35.75. Then amount spent by Rashid for science book. Okay, for science book, how much rupees? 32.60. Yes. So what is the total amount spent? Therefore, the total amount spent by Rashid. Total amount spent by Rashid. So how much? What is the total amount? How you will find it, children? 35.75 plus 32.60. Now shall we add both the values? Because I want to find the total amount. Total amount can be done only when they are same. Yes. So I'm just going to write here 35.75. Next, what you will write? You will keep the decimal point. 60 you will write it in your right side. 32 you will write it in your left side. Adding 5 plus 0, 5, 7 plus 6, 13, 1, 8, 6, 68.35. So total amount spent by Rashid is how much? 68.35 rupees he has spent for buying his textbooks. Okay. Next is your third problem. What is the question, children? Ratika's mother gave her rupees 10.50. Yes, Ratika's mother gave her rupees 10.50 and her father gave her rupees 15.80. Okay, father gave her 15.80. Find the total amount given to Radhika by the parents. So we are going to, here also the same thing. We are going to find the total amount which is given by their parents. Okay, so first amount given by Radhika's mother. Yes, amount given by Radhika's mother is how much? Rupees 10.50. Okay. Next, amount given by her father. By her father is how much? Rupees 15.80. Amount given by Radhika mother is 10.50. Amount given by her father is 15.80. Next, what is the next thing? Total amount given by her parents. By her parents, what is the total amount given by her parents? How you will do? You will just add it. Yes, 10.50 plus 15.80. Yes, 10.50 plus 15.50. Just adding. So I'm just writing 10.50. Keep the decimal point. So 10 you will write it, 15 you will write it in your left side, 80 you will write it in your right side. Adding, just add, children. 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 8, 13, 1. Keep the decimal point. Keep the decimal point as usual. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 5, 6. 1 plus 1, 2. Yes, so what is the total amount given by her parents? Rupees 26.30. Okay, see, this is what they have given. Just we should find the total amount. Total amount usually means you will find the sum. So when you are finding the sum of this decimal number, first you write the first number, then you keep second number. When you are writing, keep the decimal point and write whatever numbers it should be written in the whole part, and decimal part side you write the decimal part numbers. So then arrange it properly. If any extra spaces are there, like this problems, extra spaces are there, you insert the 0, so it will be more convenient for us to add it. Okay, that's why I'm just adding the, I'm keeping the extra spaces. I'm filling the extra spaces. Okay, in order to avoid the confusion. Okay, so you can add it directly. Okay. Today's class we have discussed exercise 8.5 few problems and I have given few problems as your homework. I hope you all understood children. Thank you.